If you need to insert a formula in LibreOffice Writer, the good news is that it's actually very easy once you know where to look. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to add a formula right inside your document, whether you want to use the Visual Elements panel or type the formula manually. This is a great skill for students, teachers, researchers, and anyone who works with equations in Writer. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the formula to appear in your text. This is important because LibreOffice will insert the equation right at that position in your document. Once your cursor is in place, go up to the top menu bar and click Insert, then choose Object and then click Formula. As soon as you do that, LibreOffice Writer will create a grey formula box inside your document, and you'll also see the Elements panel appear on the side. This is the area that helps you build mathematical expressions visually. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll also notice a command input area. This is where LibreOffice lets you type formula syntax directly. You can use either the visual method or the manual typing method, depending on what feels easier for you. If you want the quick layout method, use the Elements panel on the left, or in the sidebar. There you'll find categories like relations, functions, operators, and more. Click the category you need, then select the symbol or structure you want to insert. LibreOffice will automatically generate the correct template syntax for you, which makes it much easier if you're not familiar with formula commands. For example, if you want to create a fraction, you can choose the fraction template from the panel, and LibreOffice will build the structure for you. If you prefer to type the formula yourself, that works too. In the command box, you can enter standard formula syntax manually. For example, if you want to write a fraction like a over b, you would type a over b in the command area. LibreOffice will instantly convert that into the formatted equation in the preview area. This manual method is especially useful if you already know the syntax and want to work faster. As you build your formula, keep an eye on the preview box so you can make sure everything looks correct before you finish. You can combine symbols, fractions, exponents, roots, and other math elements to build more advanced expressions. If something does not look right, just click back into the command line and adjust the syntax until the preview matches what you want. Once your equation looks correct, you can simply click on any blank white space outside the formula frame in your document. That will exit the formula editor and place the equation into your Writer document. From there, you can continue typing your text above or below it, just like normal. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert a formula in LibreOffice Writer using both the Visual Elements panel and the manual command box. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more LibreOffice tips, productivity tricks, and beginner-friendly software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.